Hi, in this video, we will simplify this special fraction given to us. So we are given that 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by x. So we are asked to simplify the question. So we have that this becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by x. So the first thing we do is to take LCM from this point. So we have it that the expression becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by, if I take LCM at this point, the expression becomes x plus 1 divided by x. So at this point, we can express this expression as 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x. So at this point, we can apply the multiplicative inverse. Now, the expression becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 times x divided by x plus 1. So if we simplify further, the expression will reduce to 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x divided by x plus 1. Again, at this point, we take LCM. So if we take LCM, we have that 1 minus 1 divided by, we have to be x plus 1 as LCM. So x plus 1 divided by 1 is x plus 1. X plus 1 times 1 is x plus 1 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is 1. 1 times x is x. So at this point, the expression reduces to 1 minus 1 divided by x plus x is 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So again, we can express our expression as 1 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. At this point also, we apply the multiplicative inverse. So if we do that, the expression becomes 1 minus 1 times x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So at this point, the expression will reduce to 1 minus x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So again, we take LCM, and our LCM this time is 2x plus 1. So we have that LCM is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 divided by 1 is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 times 1 is 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 is 1. 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1. So if we simplify our numerator, the expression becomes 2x plus 1. We'll use the minus sign to open up this bracket. So we have minus x minus 1. So all divided by 2x plus 1. So at this point, so we can rearrange our numerator. So we have it that 2x minus x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out. 2x minus x is x. So we have x divided by 2x plus 1. We have been able to simplify a fraction given to us. If you know you found the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to this channel for more math helpful videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.